If you're looking for a dash cam that blends cutting-edge technology with ease of use, then the Vantrue E1 Pro might just be the product you're after. Welcome to Autovated, where we dive deep into the products that make your driving safer and smarter. Today, we're reviewing the Vantrue E1 Pro Dashcam, a compact yet powerful camera designed to protect you on the road and provide peace of mind. Let's break it down. The Vantrue E1 Pro features a stunning 4K resolution powered by the Sony IMX678 sensor. With an impressive 3840 by 2160 resolution at 30 FPS, this camera captures every detail, including license plates, road signs, and pedestrians. Whether you're using it for insurance claims or just to have an extra layer of security, this camera is built to deliver when it matters. The compact design, about the size of a $1 coin, ensures that it won't obstruct your view while driving. Additionally, the included CPL filter reduces sunlight reflection, enhancing visibility during bright conditions. One standout feature of this camera is the combination of PlatePix software and STARVIS 2 night vision technology. With these innovations, the E1 Pro delivers a 50% clearer image than standard 4K HDR, making it easier to capture license plates even in low-light conditions. Whether it's day or night, you'll have confidence that your footage will be clear and accurate. Testing has proven that even at night, the E1 Pro manages to capture details that could be crucial in an incident, making it perfect for family vehicles, new drivers, or Uber and Lyft drivers who need to ensure safety and peace of mind during their trips. Another key feature of the E1 Pro is its 5G Wi-Fi capability. With the Vantrue app, you can easily connect your dash cam to your smartphone or computer, enabling you to download, edit, and share your footage at lightning-fast speeds of up to 8 megabytes per second. The app's interface also lets you control the camera using voice commands, such as turn on Wi-Fi or take a photo, so you can stay focused on the road while managing your device. Built-in GPS tracking records your location, speed, and route, which can be incredibly useful for real-time monitoring or later review. For those who need even more functionality, Vantrue offers an optional LTE module and remote control, sold separately. With the LTE module, you can remotely monitor your car, access videos, and even preview live footage while sipping coffee at home. The remote control lets you lock and save important footage on the go, ensuring you don't miss crucial moments. In terms of safety, the E1 Pro has a 24/7 buffered parking mode. This feature records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after any detected motion, so you never miss an important event while your car is parked. Thanks to Starlight Night Vision, you'll see more clearly at night with 30% better video brightness, ensuring that your vehicle remains protected even when you're not around. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: 4K resolution and Sony IMX678 sensor captures every detail with clarity day or night. PlatePix and STARVIS 2 night vision, outstanding low-light performance and better license plate capture. Voice control and 5G Wi-Fi, easily manage your dash cam without distraction. Parking mode protects your vehicle 24/7 with motion detection and Starlight Night Vision. Remote monitoring, optional, perfect for added security and peace of mind. Cons: price, higher price point compared to basic dash cams, especially if you opt for additional modules. Parking mode requires separate purchase. You'll need to buy a hardwire kit separately to enable this feature. Installation might be tricky for new users. While the cam is compact, some users may find the setup process a bit daunting without prior experience. Is this review helping you and want to rev your engine for more fresh and insightful reviews? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're always in the fast lane with the latest automotive tech. When it comes to build quality, the Vantrue E1 Pro feels solid and well-engineered. The compact design is sturdy and the materials used are top-notch, ensuring longevity. Based on expert reviews and consumer feedback, there have been no widespread issues reported, and users generally express satisfaction with its reliability over time. However, long-term data for this product is still building, and it's important to note that additional accessories like the hardwire kit and LTE module come at an extra cost. Customer support for Vantrue has received positive feedback, with many reviewers noting quick response times and helpful assistance for any inquiries or issues. If you're looking for something reliable, you can trust the brand's reputation in the dashcam industry. This product is ideal for anyone seeking top-tier security for their vehicle, particularly those who drive frequently at night or park in high-risk areas. The advanced features like 4K resolution, night vision, and remote monitoring make it a strong option for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone looking for an extra layer of protection. To wrap things up, strong option. If you're after high-quality video capture, superior night vision, and a reliable parking mode, the Vantrue E1 Pro is one of the strongest choices in its class. Just be aware of the additional costs for accessories. If you found this review helpful, a quick like and subscribe really helps us out. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out the Vantrue E1 Pro, the links are in the comments box. Drop us a comment if you've tried it or have any questions. Goodbye, and remember, stay autovated on the road.